Hello friends, very good morning. Myself Bala, I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I'm welcoming you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. This video, I'm going to take for an intraday trade opportunity to how to find out the intraday trade opportunity using Camarilla levels. So that I am going to discuss in this video, and I am going to do the live market analysis, how it became a profitable trade, or how I can find a trade opportunity using the Camarilla pivot points. So we know on our previous videos we discussed more about the Camarilla pivot levels, how it can react whenever market react at this level of a resistance and at this level of support, the market was trading in between the range, or even we have find out the breakout over the R4 and S4. So that is another important level. So if you take today's scenario, Bank Nifty, it is showing a some lower value relationship between previous pivot levels, previous Camarilla levels to today's Camarilla. So we expecting somewhere the downside in the market, but the open itself, it's around the resistance 4. Market is opened around resistance 4. So that shows us the strength of the market. But the strength is not yet confirming whether the first 5 minutes candle high as well as the low is not broken. The market was trading in between the opening range of the 5 minutes, first 5 minutes. And if you are focusing, so this is the resistance R4, but compared to previous day R3 is inside between. So if you are checking that there will be a breakout is happen, so even where we can take a position around the high is broken, so we can take a position, or else so this may be the immediate resistance for this up move. So we may even watch for this level also to be break. So even if it is break this level, so we can expect this as our target level. But now the market is trading like in between the opening range, but it is trading above the R4. It's showing a little bit strength. But as per the levels of the Camarilla, we seen there will be a downside day, or we expect a downside day. But the market reacts opposite to our expectation. But still, we didn't get any trade opportunity. But whenever this eye is broken, even the strength is even more. And whenever this level of resistance is broken, that yesterday's R3, so we may be getting some good trade opportunity from this particular position. Okay, so that is about the Bank Nifty level. So whenever we can wait for this level of R3 to come to take a position, or if it is a breakout, even a perfect breakout about yesterday's resistance is broken, so we got some good trade opportunity, right? So we will wait for that also. Whatever the trade you took, so we can keep the stop loss below that R3, and that should give you some better trade opportunities. And then as per our analysis, this is what a Bank Nifty case, and Nifty that is also open above R3 and now stays above R3, and it's showing a strength whenever it broke the previous day's R3 resistance. So now today is trading over, just a second, today it's trading above R4, the Nifty. It's trading about R4 level, so that gives you some trending. That is kind of breakout move that is already opened above the breakout level, so we may expect bullish. But the previous day resistance is there, R3, so this is also be the resistance for yesterday, and also sometimes it may be the major resistance for today. When the Nifty is broken about that level, so even we got a good confirmation about our intraday trade. So whenever we take the position, we may keep the stop loss at this R3 as our stop loss. But if it is broken, so we can expect the target around this level. So maybe it looks like a 1:1 risk reward ratio. So once this level is broken, so we can keep the stop loss at this level also around R4. So we can modify our stop loss, and we can rally with between around 18. So 15,850 level we can expect in a Nifty. That is what is today's scenario on Nifty. and so other stocks which kind of these are the stocks which is forms for so many are asking about the scanner in charting. So you can use this title to identify the scanner. This is for a somewhere the stock which is outside Camarilla relationship. These three stocks we are expecting the range bound market today. So the range bound kind of strategy we can expect in this HCL Tech. Let's check it out how the HCL Tech is looks like. You see that HCL Tech is opening around the previous day compared to previous day. So we have outside value of relationship between the previous Camarilla and today's Camarilla. So what kind of trade we can expect in this particular stock of HCL Technologies? We can, so on opening itself, it is opening around R3, that is resistance 3, it is opening, but it could not able to break the resistance 4. So means the strength is little bit weaker here, and we got a sell. If you are doing the sell over here, and we can wait for a target of this and giving a stop loss and R3 as our target. And this is what we are expecting a range kind of trade. Again, we can try to buy a pullback at this point. So we can take a buy reversal on this particular point of trade. So if you are not able to take this position, so we can wait for a reversal trade at this point. That is what another outside candle, and another one is Dabur India. So looks like it is also opening around a resistance 3, but whenever it comes to the support, so we may try to take a buy opportunity on this particular stock with a stop loss of R sorry S4. We can maintain a stop loss below S4. So we are taking that the stocks are outside value compared to previous day. So that is what we are expecting the range bound market expected. But even it can break down or break up also. So but we have to focus on the stock if you are selecting for an intraday trade. So these are the stock and Metropolis. So I think it's not a good. Let's check that. Let's see. So now it was opening slightly between around the support level, and we are not able to take this position here. Whenever we are expecting this stocks to range bound trade, so it broken below the resistance. We are not going to take a breakout kind of trade on this particular stock because we are expecting the trade which is giving you as the range bound. So we will take a reversal kind of trades whenever again the market is reaches above that S3. So we can take a long position with the stop loss of below S4 because we are expecting here the range bound of range trading. So the breakout may not work on the stock. So we are not going to trade breakout kind of trade on this particular. And we see the narrow kind of trade. So how many stocks? So we got some 7 stocks for a narrow trade. So these stocks we can expect for a breakout. First one is BEL. Yes, it is already it started by R3, but immediately it broken above that level and it keeps going up almost this yesterday's R3 also broken. So give you some strength, and around 182 to 184 it moves almost to the target for that upper level may be triggered. So we may ignore the trade H5. H5 already got triggered, so we don't have the chances for the stock on Sun TV. Let's check Sun TV. Yeah, that is also open around R4. So that is what even it is like a gap up opening like that, and it triggers your target. There will be no entry opportunity. That Punjab National and ZIL PNB. Check. This is also opening. I think most of the stocks which is today's narrow range, it is opening over R4 and ZIL. Yeah, ZIL, it is trading in between the range, so there will be first around 925 we got a entry trigger, and again it triggers, and again so like it is looks like a range kind of trade. What the decision we can take on this particular stock? So whenever it breaks and above this yesterday's R3, even better chances, but it initially build up and it triggers your stop loss. There will be no trade opportunity again. So whenever the market comes at the R3, so we can try to take a reversal kind of trade. And info edge and one See that this is also a kind of narrow trading, but opening itself it triggers both the levels in the opening candle, but it is open higher and it not able to sustain above that level. It started falling down, so we maybe try to sell at this pullback level with a stop loss of over and above R4. That will give you some better trade opportunity on an intraday basis, but whenever it comes to this level we can try to sell it up. Likewise, we can find out intraday stocks before market openings, and then we can plan for the trade, how we can do intraday. So using Camarilla levels, that was good and better trade opportunity while you are using Camarilla levels. And another some stocks which is I'm going to take a Tata Motor, and you see the Tata Motor, it's like an inside range. So, looks like inside range, but it is over open and above R4, and but it's not able to sustain above this level. Whenever the R3 is broken below that R, you can take a entry over below that first 5 minutes candle. That is what a sell opportunity we got it, because this is the reversal level. So sell opportunity around 306 with a stop loss of 308.45. So we may be expecting the target of 302.95. Let's see that. And other stocks, Adani end, so there will be a sale opportunity at this point because it is a little bit higher value. Okay, little bit higher value, it is not able to, so not we are going to not go for a short, and we will try to reversal entry, and also we can go for a breakout entry. Doesn't bank yesterday not given any target, and today the opening itself it broken and it is given a breakout. So on previous day R3 and today's R4 are same, so this breakout may work very well. So while we are taking a entry around 1052 with the stop loss of below 1045, so we may be expecting the target over H5, that is what 1062. That is another intraday opportunity which is available on the Indasin Bank. And Tata Motor, we got a sale opportunity, and Bajaj Finserv or Bajaj Finance. So we got, this is not a perfect trade, but we are expecting the bullish about the stock because it's slightly over and above the previous day Camarilla pivot points. So we may be getting breakout, or even we will find out the buying reversal. And JSW Steel, yes, open about R4, so there will be chances to sell at this point, and we keep the stop loss above this level because it is open around R4, R3 and R4, so it is not able to sustain over there, so it is reversed. So we may be expecting this as a selling point with a stop loss above over there. And Hindalco, there will be open around R3, so we may try to buy the pullback at this point. Yeah, it is. That's about intradays today, and thanks you for watching this video, and thank you very much. And if you like this video, share, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.